Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see standard 5th and subject looking around environmental studies in the chapter number 17 across the wall. In the previous video part 1 we have seen up to main 5 and today we'll see main 6 answer the following questions long answers. See the question number 1. When Afsana asked her mother about playing basketball, what did her mother say? Answer is when Afsana asked her mother about playing basketball, her mother got angry and said, "Girls do not play basketball. Do your work, go to school and study hard. No need to go to the ground to play." See the question number 2. Has anyone ever stopped you from playing some game? Which games? Answer is yes, we have been stopped from playing by some people of our society. They stopped us from playing cricket and gilli danda. See the question number 3. Do girls and boys play different types of games in your school or neighborhood? If yes, then which games do the boys play and which do the girls play? Answer is yes. Girls and boys play different types of games in my school and neighborhood. Boys play sports like cricket, kabaddi, and basketball, and girls play games like hopping, sack race, lemon and spoon race, and kho. Sports like running, long jump, high jump, shot put, and volleyball are played by boys as well as girls. Sports like running, long jump, high jump, shot put, and volleyball are played by boys as well as girls. See the question number 4. What is the difference between playing yourself? What is the difference between playing for yourself and for the team? Answer is playing for yourself means not thinking about the rest of the team but only concentrating on how to make your own game look good and impress other teammates. Playing for the team means playing with full cooperation, dedication, and passion for the victory of your team. See the question number 5. What does the girls basketball coach team what does the girls basketball coach teach them about the game during training? Answer is coach teach them following points. Number 1, how to play the game well. How to play the game well. Point 2, how to keep the ball with the player. Point 3, to pass the ball to another player of one's team. Point 4, how to run fast on the court with the ball. Point 5, how to dodge the player of the opposite team and dunk the ball. Point 6, how to increase goal points. See the question number 6. While playing in a team, would you like to play for yourself or for the team? Why? Answer is while playing in a team, I would you like to play for the team. A team wins only when it plays as one. The enthusiasm of a team increases and it wins only when there is team spirit and each teammate plays unitedly. See the question number 7. Are the women less known than men? Why? Answer is yes. These women are less known than men. They have made a name for themselves in society. Just like men, women have also excelled in every field and become famous. The limitations of our society is that women are not given as much respect as men are. Our society is still a male dominated society. Our society is still a male dominated society. See the question number 8. What would happen if girls are not allowed to play games, to study, or to do some other work of their choice? How would you feel if such a thing happened to the boys? Answer is if girls are not allowed to play games or other work, a lot of disagreeable situation will arise. It will be a huge injustice. there will be no meaning to the fact or emotions of respecting women in society. I firmly believe that girls, boys, and men, women should get. See the question number 9. The newspaper report said Afsana jumped over the gender wall that her mother had put up for her. What do you understand by gender bias? Think and write in your own words. Answer is discrimination between girls and boys is still seen in many areas of our society. People do not believe in giving girls as much freedom as they give to boys. History is witness to the fact that girls and women have contributed greatly to the society. This difference is seen between girls and boys, known as gender bias. Question number 10. How does playing sports benefit us? This answer is in a point wise. See the point 1. Our body becomes flexible and healthy. Point 2. Various skills are developed within us. Point 3. Qualities of discipline, sportsmanship, and team spirit develop in us. Point 4. We learn to enjoy victories and learn to accept loss and our mistake, thereby developing the sense of sportsmanship. Thereby developing the sense of sportsmanship. See the next page. Main 7. Answer is asked. See the first one. Write down the names of the players you know and the games they played. Player's name and name the name of the sports. Number 1. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Sports name is cricket. Number 2. Virat Kohli. Sports name is cricket. Number 3. Vishwanathan Anand. Sport name chess. Fourth one. Abhinav Bindra. Rifle shooting. Number 5. PV Sindhu. Badminton. Number 6. Saina Nehwal. Badminton. Number 7. Mary Kom. Boxing. 8. Vijendra Singh. Boxing. 9. Mithali Raj. Cricket. Number 10. Sushil Kumar. Wrestling. So the question number 2. Write down names of women players you know and the games they play. Women players names and the name of the sport. Sania Mirza. Name of the sport is tennis. Second one. Karnam Maleshwari. Weightlifting. Number 3. Geeta Fogart. Wrestling. Sakshi Malik. Wrestling. Deepa Karmakar. Gymnastics. Rani Rampal. Hockey. See the question number 3. Girls and boys are looked at differently with regards to work. Explain this with example from the lesson. Point 1. Afsana is a female player. She returns home as soon as she finishes her game practice, but her brother can stay out till late chatting with friends. Point 2. Afsana helps her mother in cleaning and other work, studies and plays basketball too. But if her brother makes tea for himself, her mother says that though he has 3 sisters, he has to make his own tea. See the next page. See the question number 4. If you are made the leader of your team, how will you prepare your team? Answer is I will prepare the team in such a way that it has the following qualities. Point 1. Players respect each other. Point 2. Players inspires each other. Point 3. Players play with complete sportsmanship, dedications and concentration. Point 4. Each player plays with the feeling of the team spirit. Point 5. If the opposite team loses, they do not make fun of the players. If the opposite team loses, they do not make fun of the players. Point 6. Even if a teammate makes a mistake, he or his is inspired and given another chance to show how he or she has improved and to play a better game. See the main 8. Classify the following games into indoor games and outdoor games. First of all, we will see the games name. Snakes and ladders, hopping, kabaddi, chess, carom, cricket, kho-kho, playing cards, badminton, cowries, basketball, ludo. Now indoor games names snakes and ladders, chess, carom, playing cards, cowries and ludo. And outdoor games hopping, kabaddi, cricket, kho-kho, badminton and basketball. Now see the next page. See the number 2. Given below are the pictures of some indoor and outdoor games. Recognize them and write their names underneath. Now see the pictures are given. This pictures is for basketball outdoor game. This one is the snakes and ladders indoor game and the hockey outdoor game. Now see next one, this is a volleyball and it's a outdoor game. Cricket outdoor game. Chess, it's a indoor game. Now see HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each questions and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which of the following is an indoor game? A. Kabaddi, B. Kho-Kho, C. Carom and D. Hockey. Answer is option C. Carom. Number 2. Which of the following is an outdoor game? A. Playing cards, B. Kabaddi, C. Snakes and ladders and D. Carom. Answer is option B. Kabaddi. Number 3. Which quality in a team member is the sign of an excellent player? A. That of being the first, B. That of quarreling, C. That of sportsmanship and D. That of individual progress. Answer is option C. That of sportsmanship. Number 4. Which coach has said unity is the motto of our team? A. Pappu Khan, B. Bachchu Khan, C. Ahmed Khan and D. Noor Khan. Answer is option D. Noor Khan. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the next chapter, chapter number 18 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.